What is this, Maya?
Puppets.
What?
Puppets.
Puppets?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And I really want to open it now.
Storybook friends, hand puppets. And
the purple one that has a crown is a princess. The one that has orange hair, and the yellow one is the princess. The orange hair is a mermaid. The brown hair is a fairy, and the hair looks like a singer, like ballerina.
ballerina?
Yeah.
Okay, cute.
Like
4 soft and cuddly puppets. Okay, Maya, here.
Yay! I can open it now.
Whoa, nice cars, Markslen. Sports cars. And that's a yellow convertible sports car. Nice. Ooh, a Porsche. Ooh, beep beep. Beep beep. Yeah, nice, Markslen. Yeah. Beep beep sports cars. Hey, Markslen, oh. Playing his toy cars. Puppets. Cute. That's a Porsche, Markslen. Hi, cute. So cute. That's a mermaid.
I'm a princess.
Yeah, cutie. A fairy.
Yes.
Cute.
Hello.
Hello. Cute.
Hello.
Cute puppets. Nicey. Hello, hello. What are their names?
I want to name her. Her looks like Rapunzel, right?
Okay.
Okay. How about the mermaid?
Ariel.
Okay. And the fairy?
Harry.
What's her name?
I want to name
Fairy.
her Dust.
Okay.
Fairy dust?
Fairy
Yeah, like fairy
dust.
dust. with
Okay,
dust.
okay.
Or baby flower.
Okay.
And her should be
Ballerina.
ballerina.
Ballerina Valerine. Hello. Yeah. Hey, Markslin. New Drill and Learn Toolbox for ages 2 to 5 years old. Okay. Yep, mommy, this is a new playset by Vtech. Vtech's Drill and Learn Toolbox. Tons of fix-it fun. A toolbox with a drill. Ooh. Yay! Nicey. Okay. Removable electronic project tray provides a fun role-play experience. 125 plus songs, melodies, sounds, and phrases. Okay, this playset teaches pretend play, colors, fine motor skills, and sing-along songs. Nicey. The back of the box. Alright. Use the drill to make them spin. Toolbox. Okay, we have a hammer, a wrench, nails, screws, and cards fit inside. Hey, Markslin. Hey, the puppets. Nyay. Hiya. Markslin, oh, riding a train. Without tracks. 7 tools and 2 double-sided project cards. There's a plane, a car, and a boat. Oh, a train. Woo! Wow. Hey, that's a Corvette. This one here. Markslin, look, a black Corvette. Chevy Corvette. What's that? What is that car? Can I see? Oh, that's a Lotus. A British car, Markslin. Lotus. I see. Beep beep. What's that? What is that car? Oh, a Ford Cobra. Yeah. Beep beep. Okay, mommy, you know what to do. Unbox this playset, please.
Okay.
Go on. Oops. Scissors. Okay. Oopsie. Okay. Woo. There's the toolbox. And the gears. 3 gears. Okay. Instructions. And this one here. Advertisement.
Wait,
Yep.
gimme.
Okay.
We have this one.
Yeah, I remember that.
That you put it on me.
Yeah.
That you put. This is the girl stuff.
Yeah. The cards.
I want to have this one.
What?
I want to
Oh.
get this one.
Yeah. Okay, Maya, next time. Maya, look, a puppy.
And the robot.
Yeah.
Mimi.
And then this card. Colors.
My favorite color is this one.
Pink.
Yeah.
My favorite color is green. There,
My favorite
green.
color is this one.
Okay. Red. Orange.
Red, orange, yellow, green, pink, brown, white, purple, blue.
Very good, Maya. Oh, the screws.
Which one's your favorite color?
Mommy. Okay. The drill, the screws, the cards. Oh! Smart Maya!
But this makes sense. This makes sense.
Well, switch it on, Mommy.
Here.
There you go.
Wrench.
Wrench. Where's the wrench? You're holding it. Now, where's the hammer?
My trusty
There's the hammer.
drill.
Okay, let's switch it on, Marksland. Ooh, Marksland's cars. This is where you put it, Marksland. I will show you.
Time. Drill a screw or hammer it.
Mommy, put it, please. There you go.
Let's shadow colors to the beat. Red, yellow, white, pink, and green.
Marksland, oh. Okay, Mommy, use the drill.
Wait.
Yay!
Woo, where's my pen?
Yay!
Hey.
Let's shadow
Yeah.
colors to the beat.
Nice, eh?
Red, yellow, white.
Okay, Mommy, drill it.
Pink is spelled P-I-N-K. Pink.
Yay! Mommy, drill it out.
Pink is spelled P-I-N-K. Pink.
How about white, Mommy?
Okay.
Now use the wrench, Mommy.
Okay.
Use the wrench.
White. This is the color white.
Nice. Okay, Mommy. Loosen it.
Hey.
Use the wrench.
White is spelled W-H-I-T-E. White.
Nice. What are those rubber bands for,
To
Maya?
make a bracelet, wouldn't it?
A rubber band bracelet?
Yeah.
Oh,
I want
okay.
to make.
Nice, eh? How do you close it, Mommy? Cute! Carry it, Mommy. There you go. The other side.
Check it out. See what's in the toolbox.
Okay, mommy, put it down. And then open it. Yay! Let's change the card, mommy. Put this, mommy.
Drill a screw or hammer a nail into a hole to play.
Nice, eh, mommy. Mommy, how about let's nail the boat. Nail it.
Boat begins with the letter B.
Nice. How about the train, mommy? Nail it.
A train helps carry people or things and usually runs on a track. We have a drill and a screw. What do you want to do? Let's build something for me and you.
Cool. Okay. Now, mommy, the car.
Get out.
Nail
See
it.
what's in the toolbox. Play anyway. A car has 4 wheels.
The plane, mommy.
Plane begins with the letter P.
Nice. Mommy, flip the card, please.
Okay.
Drill it.
Okay. Go on. Put it, mommy.
Drill a screw or hammer a nail into a hole to play.
Okay, mommy. Let's drill that robot.
Okay.
Robot begins with the letter R.
Now, mommy, the window. Drill it.
Okay.
Open the window to let in fresh air. See, it's the design.
Maya girl.
Ayan. Ooh. Yes.
A lamp gives off light. Turn it on to make the room bright.
Okay, what else?
The doghouse, Maya.
Ooh.
This is not working.
It is working, Maya.
Ow, you're breaking my bones.
Play any way you like.
What else?
Doghouse
That's
begins
it?
with the letter D.
Nice. Awesome job, Maya.
Wrench. A wrench makes the sound.
Oops.
This is a blue button.
Mommy, where's my pee?
Hammer. This is a hammer. We use a hammer to hit nails. This is a red button. This is a green button.
I found it.
Drill. A drill makes the sound.
The gears.
Ooh.
Nice, eh?
This
Go, mommy,
is a
more.
blue button.
I like it.
Okay.
Okay, mommy, let's change the card. This time, numbers. Okay, mommy, put the card, please. Yay!
Screw or hammer a nail into a hole to play.
More.
5 is less than 6.
More, mommy.
1. This is the number 1.
Okay, use the screws, mommy.
Okay.
Let's shadow colors to the beat. Red, yellow, white, pink, and green. I'm a super super. 7 is more than 6.
Last one.
Yay.
6 is more than 5.
Awesome, right? The question mark mode, mommy.
Okay.
Show me your fix-it skills. Let's answer some questions. Can you find the number 7?
7, mommy.
Screw or hammer a nail into the hole to answer.
Wait. Okay, mommy, drill it.
7. Great job. Which number is less than 8?
7, mommy. Wait. Okay.
7. Well done. Can you find the number 8?
Number 8, mommy.
Wait.
Maya, where's number 8? Mommy, Maya will do it, mommy.
Okay, Maya. Come on.
No, Maya, where is number 8?
Here.
There you go.
Whoa.
8. Great job. Which number is more than 3?
Maya, which number is more than 3? What is the next number after 3, Maya? What? Very good! Hammer it, mommy.
4. Well done. Which number is less than 6?
Less than 6, Maya.
1 to 7.
No, that's more than 6.
5.
There you go, smart. Hammer it, Maya.
5.
There you go.
You're doing great. Which number is less than 9?
0.
Okay, now colors. Mommy, help me.
Which is
Find the color yellow. Drill a screw or hammer a nail into the hole to answer.
Maya, where is color yellow?
Yellow.
We're here.
There you go. Mommy, nail it, please.
Okay.
Yellow. You really hit the nail on the head. Find the color red.
Red.
Screw or hammer a nail into the
Here.
hole.
Nail it, mommy.
Okay.
Mimi.
Red. You're doing great. Which color is spelled W-H-I-T-E?
What is that, Maya? What color is that?
What?
W-H-I. Oh, smart! Go, screw it.
White. You really hit the nail on the head.
What, Maya? Wow, that's a cute bracelet. Blue and pink, hey?
Yeah. So
Such a cutie
I
bracelet.
want to show you.
Okay.
Ta-da! It
Yeah.
looks like a real one.
Yeah. It is a real bracelet.
I know. Awesome. Wow! Big and grow, big and grow.
It's music time. Drill a screw or hammer a nail into the hole to hear a melody. Insert a card or press.
There you go.
Let's shadow colors on the beat. Red, yellow, white, pink, and green. I'm a super duper fix-it machine. Construction, orange, purple, brown, and blue. Amazing color runs from me to you. Yahoo! Let's shadow colors